Morning, it's about 6 o'clock on Tuesday the 1st of June. And this is a little tour of Shawsmead Caravan and Motorhome Club site. There's the reception building there, information hut. It's a nice site, this one. Bins and water. Some grass pitches in the middle and hard standings all around the outside. More water points there and bins. Facilities block there, toilet, showers, laundry and dishwashing area. More bins, water, and then home service point. It's not a drainy one, a gritty one, but you've got a choice of 3 manholes, one each side and one at the back. Suits everybody. And we've parked down here, down. We had the choice of these 3. But the one at the bottom, which we normally would have had, and quite against the hedge, there's a pump there. So we had that one.
Morning. So I've got to do this again last night. So we left St David's sort of area yesterday and I went to some castles. And then we've ended up here, and I can't actually remember where here is. That noise is Leon emptying the toilet pot. Yeah, so we are here, just below Aberystwyth. There we go. So today, we've got to catch a steam train to go to the AA box at Devil's Bridge. So we're going to get there early to get a car park space. Let me introduce you to Bob. There he is. What you got to say, Bob? You got to say anything? You got to say anything, Bob?
This would be a good place for my little squirrel to live.
Let's put the mic down. Whoa!
Let's put a few little highlights in here, just to make them little rascals just sparkle in the sun. Anything we don't like, we'll turn it into a happy little tree or something. Because as you know, we don't make mistakes. We just have happy accidents.
There you go. Happy accidents. Don't make mistakes. We just have happy accidents. Always remember that. Bob Ross's advice.
arrived at the Vale of Rheidol railway. I hope that's how you pronounce it. We've parked in the overflow car park. Got here early just to make sure we got a space. We knew it was going to be not too busy, but we've gone in the overflow car park. There's no bays right, and it should be pretty safe because the building on the other side of the road is the police station. Just waiting on the platform now. Looks like our carriage is coming, but that's not our steam train. That's up on the other side still.
Who are you talking to? Oh, them!
Yeah.
Got that whole one of those carriages myself.
No, we've
At
got a
the back?
compartment. Yeah, we've got a compartment.
Compartment.
It's closed off, so we've got basically
Oh, it's not closed off, it's just
it's sheeted off.
right, so we can't get up to mischief or anything. Hello, I don't know if you can hear me because it's very noisy in this carriage. So we've boarded the train? I don't know. Or on the train.
We've left Aberystwyth and we're on our way to Devil's Bridge.
On a steam train.
On a secret mission.
On a secret mission. So we've got a whole carriage, but the carriage is separated by like these perspex things behind, see-through things. So how many people on the actual carriage? How many compartment bits on
There's 3 compartments. 6 compartments.
6 compartments separated by clear plasticky stuff. You don't have to wear your masks in here apparently. But there's only us and another family on here, isn't there? Oh no, there's somebody else at the end.
Yeah.
So there's about 3 blobs of people. Oh, it's a bit steamy. So yeah, we'll turn you around now. See you in a bit. Capelbanger, there we go. Oh, look at the pretty flowers. box. This is what we come down to find. So mission accomplished. I don't know if you can hear me. We've now come to the actual bridge itself. Okay, so change of plan. You've got to pay to go down to view the bridge from down below, and the queue is taking too slow to go, and we'd rather have time up in the shop. We've got to be back within half an hour, so we're not going to do it. Okay, absolutely brilliant time on the railway of railwayness. Highly recommended if it's sunny.
Yes.
Absolutely stunning views. Anyway, we've now got off the train. We're still at Aberystwyth and we're making our way to the Cliff Railway.
To go up to the top of the hill to look at the view.
Yeah.
That's the plan.
So let me turn you around.
That's the castle, but I'm not walking down there. I can't be honest.
Oh yeah, I can see. Let's go to the top of Leon's Head. The weather, although it's not as sunny, it's absolutely stifling. I can't actually say that. Stiflingly hot. And I'm about to flake out. Apparently the railway thingy is up there somewhere.
That must be the land going up there, isn't it?
Oh yeah, yeah. I don't suppose it's going to pick up on the. Yeah. Oh my God! Look at.
See the other
sort of.
there. It's a big
The land.
Cardigan Bay.
This is still Cardigan Bay, is it?
Yeah.
The rest of the top of Walesy bits then is up there by the looks of it. Can't really see it on the camera, I don't think.
So I don't know if you can see like Snowdon and that, can you?
I don't know. I don't Snowdon. I'm not really sure where we're going. Oh, I think I can see the top of a little slanty roof just behind this red brick building. Oh my god. It is. They need a cliff railway for, yes. Yeah, a little stand stair lift or something. That's old. Well, not that old, but old enough. So there's a bit of a delay. A bloke's come out and said that a lady's passed out or something at the top. So there's quite a few people waiting. So let's hope she's okay. Okay, we're on. I don't know what's going on. Oh, sorry, I'm out of breath. So that one comes down, if you can see it, and this one goes up. A bit like the Linton and Limnath, and the Barbican one, which we didn't come on. Unfortunately, it would have been better if we was on at the back.
But we'll try and get on the back on the way down.
Yeah, but you can't if they give you a number. If they give you a...
If we wait, yeah.
Yeah, but they tell you where to sit. So you just got to go and sit where they say. So it would have been better if we were on the bottom of it, because then we could show you the view. Soz. I suppose I could show you the rope on the ground. Okay, hang on, let me go to a bit of a dirty window. And try that, eh?
Just hang on.
Could do.
I'll tell you when the other ones are
Oh look, little rollers are moving, look. Oh, it stopped. Oh, I suppose that's to stop the rope and the bits of string from fraying. Oh yes, we're about to pass the other one. Sorry, about to pass the other one. I'm not going to film all this because there's not much of a view really. Concrete each side. We're about to pass them. There's a walking down's not as bad.
For most people.
Yeah. Whoops. Chunky, chunky, chunk.
They'll probably tell you anyway.
Okay. And this is the view of Aberystwyth from the top. Oh, there's the railway over there.
Yeah.
Little red buildings. Long red buildings. Oh, there's a lovely breeze up here. I don't want to go down now because it is actually unbearable.
Wow, we've got some thundery showers tomorrow.
We have, it might clear the air, I suppose. Oh, yeah, this looks like a castle. Did you say it was a castle?
Yeah.
We'll save that for another time. hot. I have no idea what this place is. Something to do with ospreys.
Duffy Osprey.
Duffy.
Duffy.
Shoot casualty. It's really, really hot. That's all I can say. It's just really hot.
On the main road.
On the main road, yeah.
It's on the way to the campsite, so
the end. People come in. The end. Bye. If you can hear the birds. Oop. There's Colin somewhere. All the bolts keeping it up though. Loads. Oh. All of them. Hello.
Right.
It's so hot. Somebody said it was 23 degrees just now. It's just hot. just arrived at, how'd you say it?
Gwerna Bulk.
Gwerna Bulk campsite. Whereabouts is this?
Near Cunliffe, I think you say it.
Never heard of it.
McKelliff.
Okay, I'll what 3 words it. Yeah, it's a really, seems like a really nice site. There's no facilities or anything, but we got the last pitch. I think we booked it, but we got the last pitch, and it's a nice little secluded pitch. And there's a tree full of long-tailed tits, and that's a robin.
Singing, yeah. But
Singing.
They're still there.
Yeah, so robin's singing, but there's also a little flock of long-tailed tits. Oh, they're so cute, little lollipops. Let's see if I can get some photos.
Down here, look.
Yeah, but it seems like a really nice site. So, yes, that is it. Okay, so we were there yesterday. We did Aberystwyth today, and we've travelled up and come in a little bit there. So that is where we are tonight, at the campsite that I've just said, which I can't remember. What is your job to do now?
To place on the new sticker, because we've gone into a new county.
Okay. What county have we gone into?
Well, these are the old counties, not the mod, because they changed them like in the 70s. Mary and F.
Looking beautiful.
Oh, is that lined up? What? I didn't know.
I think so.
I don't know if it's going to come down a tad.
Oh,
Just fill that gap up.
there we go. That's fine. Lovely.
Because
So-
we put Cardiganshire on yesterday
Yeah,
and Pembrokeshire the day before.
yeah. And we've done these other ones, haven't we, already?
Carmarthenshire went on Saturday,
Yeah.
and the other ones, Paris, Glamorganshire and Monmouthshire, were already had.
Oh, what's the one that we haven't got in the middle?
That one is Herefordshire. We get that one on, that's the last night.
All right, so
So
basically,
we're going to get dink, 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 dink.
all of Wales should be full.
We might not get Flintshire, I don't know.
Oh,
We might miss that one.
no. Can't we just drive into it and then
I'm
drive
sure
out?
we'll have to. Then it just leaves a blob
Leaves
in the
all
middle.
those, and then one day.
Because that was meant to be Christmas.
Yes.
Oxfordshire, Cambridgeshire, Northamptonshire, Leicestershire, Derbyshire and Nottinghamshire was Christmas, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And then all them others, it was a bit too close to London, really. Dunno.
Yeah. But yeah, so, and one day we will do Northern Ireland and Ireland and stuff. But yeah, I quite like this map.
And Skye and
Skye
Aris.
and Aris and
Oh, this year though.
no. Yeah, so that's that. Say bye.
Right.
Bye. Night. See you tomorrow. Bye.